Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Bringing you to market another Audi product just arrived with us today, and this comes in the form of the 2020 70 plate Audi A3 S-Line. Now this is the 1.5 turbocharged 6-speed manual gearbox, and it's finished in the beautiful Brilliant Black Metallic Paintwork with a full black leather interior inside, which I'll come on to shortly. We've got the nice multi-spoke alloy wheels down here, and moving round, privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. Just jump inside and show you the rear. So we've got full black leather interior. The two outer seats here are Isofix as well, with a little fan blower to keep you kids cool in the back. Jumping through, and I'll start with the door card here. We have heated and electrically adjustable wing mirrors with electric windows all round, and important child locks for each of those two seats. Just pop myself in. So we've got some nice usual functions such as your automatic lights and automatic windscreen wipers here, cruise control and speed limiter.
Discount applies to home and all cars registered at the same address. Excludes optional add-ons.
The Sun Super Days is off to Warwick.
My apologies. Over up onto here we've got the virtual cockpit, so we can have our satellite navigation over on this screen here, but we can also have it over on the middle one there. With a virtual cockpit you can alter the appearance of it and go through various things: DAB, digital radio, any important information that the car wants to tell you. Multifunctional steering wheel with the S-Line emblem there. Voice activation and volume controls over here, along with all your menu controls there. We have electronic park brake, and we also have an auto hold function as well. And the car is a keyless start. Got two USB-Cs for interfacing with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Audi's Drive Select, so comfort, dynamic, etc. Over onto the digital climate control. That's dual zone as well. So alongside your satellite navigation you have Bluetooth telephone system, DAB radio with AM and FM, the capabilities I mentioned before for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and just a normal sort of home screen there. You do have lots of apps that you can link up the car to. It's through an Audi app, and you can do lots of things, track journeys, etc. through that. On the two front driver's seats, again for leather, but we have got the S badge embossed into the leather there as well. Really nice place to be. Let's take you for a final look on the outside. Brilliant black paintwork really does stand out. As I mentioned, 2020 70 plate, the mileage is at 29,421. If you have any questions at all on the car, please do give the award-winning sales team at Leeds a call. We have extended warranties available through UK's #1 warranty company, Warranty Wise, and if you're in need of any finance packages, give us a call and we're happy to quote on the HP, PCP, etc. Thanks again for watching. All the best.